Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and just last night I did a video on joining these two objects that you cut out. There's 4 ways to do it, really 5, but one of them is the same. Join the nodes with the menu up here. The first one is join Docker. So let's go to Windows Dockers, and it does have the advantage over the other one. And we're going to join curves. And if we zoom in here to this one, you can see there's 2 different colors. So if we select that one and hold down the shift key and select that one, and then grab the nodes with the shape tool, we can grab those 2 nodes and go up to the Docker and join them. So now this is one obstacle. The other way, which is join with the basically the same way, hold down the shift, and you could actually take the shape tool and select those. Right up here, join 2 nodes. Whoop. See, so it has its advantages and disadvantages. It doesn't know the distance. So it might have joined them. So there's the other way. My favorite way, and the way I use most of the time, is go to the Smart Fill tool. I'll use a different color beside black, and Smart Fill creates a new object. So if we left click, right click, now we have one object. The other one is combine. So if we select that, hold down, or basically just select them both, go up to object and combine. It's going to combine that, all those pieces. The reason I like the Docker version when you're joining curves or lines, let's draw 2 lines and let's get them really close together. And let's just hit the plus key on the keyboard and move that other node really close. Now we're going to make a duplicate of that by hitting the plus key on the keyboard, and we're going to move this one a little further apart. So if we look and we measure, if we get the parallel dimension tool, these 2 nodes are 0.44 apart. These 2 nodes are only 0.03 apart. So with the Docker, I've got mine set on 1. So I can select that, hold down the shift key and select that, select those 2 nodes and join them. It won't do them on this because the gap is too far. So if that was a concern, it won't do it because they're just too far. Now that was 0.44, so let's go 0.5 and apply, and now it will join it. This has the advantage over the joining up here. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman, and thank you for watching.